Before introducing this Liston 7-color double coating machine, let me first introduce the central control room, which controls the KGC Smart Factory, making its debut today.
Here, I'm standing at the central control room. For now, I will give you a brief overview of automation and visualization on KP Connect Pro. This is our manufacturing execution system, KP Connect Pro, which controls the smart factory. With the 4 monitors here, we can manage and visualize job progress from prepress to press, post-press, and logistics. As an example of our automation, let's look at prepress automation first. Here, we have screens equals and the digital content factory. Thanks to the integration with KP Connect Pro Scheduler, right here in the middle, we can automate prepress jobs, allowing for the output of printing plates. These output printing plates are then automatically assigned to each machine. Once a job has been sent to the machines, we can output the printing plates. The plates will be transported automatically by an AMR. This is all for this section. Thank you.
Okay, now let's proceed with the demonstration. This is Liston 40 7-color double coating units with double pile delivery advanced EX edition model, which achieves high quality, high productivity package printing and offers world-class ROI, return on investment. First, let me introduce the specification of this press. From the feeder side, 7 printing units for the 4 process colors, 2 spots colors, and the last units, and for the drift-off primer, and the gloss furnace at the first coating unit, and the matte furnace at the second coating unit. And then go to the delivery and the 2 piles. The first pile is for good seeds. And the second pile is for the defective seeds, and it automatically sorted by the PQA and the communications. And then we will perform 2 jobs with this machine. And the first job is to print 300 seeds of the earphone packages, the orange one. And the highlight of this demonstration is our super short Makeready. We call it the SSMR. And the package printing job changeover takes a significant amount of time. One of Komori's automation solutions, super short Makeready, achieves the changeover times comparable to the commercial printing. Please pay attention to the center monitor, which will display the changeover time until the test print is done. KP Connect Pro already have sent the preset data for the upcoming 2 jobs to the press. Okay, innovations. Start the press. Now we will start the print 300 seats of the earphone case package design at a maximum speed. Go to the 18,000 per hour. Also, this double pile delivery can work at the maximum speed to solve the good seeds and the defective seeds. You can see the good pile performance by an advanced model. Okay, the most troublesome part of production is time-consuming and labor-intensive changeover process. Komori has promoted various automation solutions to minimize labor load. As a result, the changeover from dense image to a light image, which used to take at least 40 minutes, is now completed about 30 minutes, comparable to general commercial printing. Soon the monitor will display a timer, so please check the time from the end of the first job to the start of the second job test print. Okay, the first job finished, the timer is working. Please check the changeover time. Now we would like to introduce various technology of Super Shelf Makeready that contribute to reducing changeover time as we proceed with each changeover task. First, blanket cleaning and plate changing are performed simultaneously, followed by ink roller cleaning. You can see the parallel control where various tasks are performed concurrently. And now the machine is automatically performing the blanket cleaning and plate changing simultaneously. That technology to complete then in just 1.5 minutes. You're seeing a synchronous automatic plate changer in action, where blanket cleaning is also running at the same time inside the cover, and they will complete it soon. And now, thanks to ink fountain film, the operator can effortlessly handle the ink change, which was previously labor-intensive task. It may not be visible from your positions. We will show it through a video. Especially for companies have frequent ink changes, this ink fountain film system will reduce the preparation time significantly. As you can see, it's easy to remove the ink like this. The release seat, and then take out and just fold and throw away. And then just set a new film. And it's like this way. And the ink film covers not only the ink fountain and also with the side walls, so that completely starts with a new ink without cleaning process. That's very easy. So that's usually color changes use time-consuming ink fountain cleaning, but the film covers the entire fountain, including both sides. The press has moved on the next changeover task. It's good for the packaging company that has frequent ink change jobs. Yes, this is a call-to-play changes power control by Super Shelf Makeready. While the machine automatically cleans the ink rollers and the operator can simultaneously change the call-to-play using the same APC. First, let's watch how the operator can now perform the call-to-play change semi-automatically. It used to need 2 people for this task. The operator presses the APC button to start the plate change. The tail side clamp is reversed automatically. He pulls out the plate, just supporting it with his hand. And then next to set a new plate, he starts the plate in front of the guys align the punch hole both sides of the plate with the corresponding cylinder pins. Then he presses the APC button again. The machine automatically rotates to right up the plate and clamps it in place, completing the process. Okay, let's also take a look at the computer graphics. Here you can see the use of resin plate being removed and new plate and being inserted like this. With such simple operation, the previously challenging call-to-plate change is now completed just 2 minutes. Currently, roller cleaning is being performed simultaneously This task used to cause a significant time loss and workload during changeover. This machine is equipped with a newer heavy cleaning system. Since the process occurs inside the machine, we'll explain it through a video. Yes, this is a new multicolor cleaning system. In package printing, the special colors are frequently used regarding many color changes. To prevent color contamination, and cleaning time can become lengthy, hindering productivity. However, even when changing from dark color like black to light colors like yellow, this cleaning system minimizes color contamination, optimizes the color process during the changeover, and enhances the productivity. The machine will now proceed with the setting by printing system, and the test print will be produced soon. Currently, it has passed 6 minutes and 47 seconds. Let's see how much faster this changeover is compared to the usual 33 minutes. Yes, as you can see, the delivery gripper is not moving. Even though that ink roller cleaning being performed, the entire press is not running. This is because the ink rollers are driven by independent motors. The advantage of an independent motor is that it allows for parallel control and a simultaneous changeover process like this, achieving the shortest make-ready time. Another benefit is that even with a multicolor configuration, if like the more printing units, independent motor drive reduce the load on main motor, allowing for high-speed running. Since we have a little more time, let's introduce some of the latest technology developed by Komori through CZ and video. And next, here's the Anilox roller changer. Traditionally, the Anilox roller took a significant amount of time. The roller is sent in the motion as shown in the image, automating the tasks that used to require two operators, simplifying the setup and reducing time. Simplification of setup work and the reduction of time were made possible. Also, there's no concern that Anilox roller will be damaged during the operation. You can set up 4 types of Anilox rollers, and with the push of the button, switch to different type quickly, responding to a wide range of color varnish. Let's watch the actual operation in a VTR. When the command is given, the varnish supply device moves away from the roller like this. It moves much as shown. Then, by selecting the Anilox roller with the select button on the right side of the units, starting the process, the specified roller is automatically set in place. And also, the nip can be adjusted by the button on this unit from an operation stand. Okay, next, paper dust remover. It's one of the essential technology for package printing. During printing, have you ever experienced the machine should be stopped for the blanket cleaning because of the paper dust? As you can see, placing the paper dust in remover just before the first printing unit moving to remove the dust. By moving it in advance, it prevents debris from sticking to the seat, maintain the printing quality. Okay, another one is seat numbering system. With this device, if there are any print defects, and the PQA camera detects the number of the seat and notifies you on the KID monitor with number. Okay, regarding PQAS inspection function, we have inserted the defected seat in the feeder pile for the job. Please ensure how PQAS will find it and sort it to the second delivery pile. Soon the machine is about to complete the changeover. So let me briefly explain the sample. We're using 4 process colors and 2 spot colors with drip off primer. And with double coating unit configuration, in first coating units, orange is repelled and drip off primer applied in the 7th printing unit, showing the repelled part like embossed effect and contrast with ordinary gloss varnish achieves the first added value. Next, the second coating units print a dark burgundy part here and uses low gloss varnish for the matte effect. Here's a matte effect, here's an emboss effect, and here's a gloss effect. There's 3 varnish effects achieved high added value on one sheet. Okay, while introducing the various functions, the super mixer ready. The print has just started. The time is 11 minutes, 15 minutes, and much faster than usual, 33 minutes. And the machine is working at the maximum speed and 18,000 sheets per hour. With the various features you have seen, you experience how quickly job changes can be made even for color changes packaging. Now the second show sheets and the camera. The monitor shows where the sheets are produced. And the operator checks the registration and the caliber with the color management device PDCSX. Then the measurement starts. Now it's scanning the caliber and the gripper side. And how about the color? It matches well, especially considering the lower cleaning. Let's take a look at the CZ that shows the inside of the moving scanning head. A sensor box measures the color and the registration, moves like this, and the data and the large monitor of the operation stand shows the registration and intensity. And this is the measured data showing on KAD, and it's already almost good copy. But we will use feedback one more time and correct it, and then we'll start the production. And now, it comes the result of the PDF comparator measured by PDCS scanner. How's the PDF scanner result? Okay, for this demonstration, we used a processless plate. As you know, these plates are environmentally friendly and being adopted many printing companies today, especially for such plates. Komori PDF comparator does work for plate inspection. Next, we will introduce Komori's waste reduction item. Due to recent global events, the cost of raw materials has skyrocketed, leading to price increase across the various industries, including printing industry. The rising price of paper, which is not small portion for printing cost, is currently squeezing the profit. Komori has long focused on the color startup. To reduce waste paper, has developed various items to achieve this. The first item we will introduce today is Pre-Inking Plus. This feature is highly effective in reducing waste paper for repeat jobs. One of the issues with repeat jobs has been the poor startup special colors. If the startup color does not match, it leads to increased waste. Pre-Inking Plus updates and learns the color startup result at the end of the job. Then it can make the optimal ink amount on the roller for next repeat job. So it will reduce startup waste paper every time that repeat job comes. Another one, reduce waste paper, is Pre-Inking Foam. Have you ever experienced increased paper due to poor color startup after job changes or roller cleaning? Komori's Pre-Inking Foam allows for density correction with fewer printed sheets. It automatically calculates the key opening from the measurement result and drive the duct roller adequate times and to optimize the inking. When combined with printing press, it is possible to minimize waste paper. While introducing the second test, seed has come out, the color has been corrected and much better than before. Okay, we're starting the production and handling seeds. Looking at the cable monitoring production, you can see the PQAS V5, which has color control system. Controls not only process colors, but also spot colors without any issues. At the top of the screen, you can see the density for each inky 6 colors, which being automatically corrected. And below, the trend graph for the average density is shown. By combining Liston GX40 Advanced, which has high-level basic performance with this system, it's possible to maintain stable quality to achieve higher speed easily and higher productivity. Some packaging companies have significantly increased their productivity with PQAS system. Liston GX40 advances printing stably at a maximum speed of 18,000 seeds per hour. Okay, please give me one sample to explain the second job. Yes, the first job has 2 spot colors, and the second job also has 2 spot colors. Thanks to heavy roller cleaning, the light special color is not contaminated. And as we noticed, we inserted a defect seed in the feed pipe in advance. And PQA 4K camera will detect the defective paper and automatically eject it to second delivery. And soon, then KD display will show that for defection. By combining PQAS and a double pipe delivery, in this way, sorting the good seed and defective seeds can be done while planning. Can you see that drip-off effect? Now, while we wait for the complete on the 800 seeds to print, let's talk about the AML automatic process system here. The AML automatically receives the delivery paper and moves it to the intermediate warehouse for post-press and warehousing. You can watch the movement on AMR on the monitor. KP Connect Pro sends a signal to AMR. See, in the central control room, the screens show the GLX and 740 and like that. And at the top of that, the GX 740, and you can see that. And at the bottom, then the MVO Anilox 1 is also shown, so that this central control room can operate all the kind of machines and AMR easily. And now we completed 2 jobs and 500 and 800 seeds of packing job. How about the defective sheet? See that small and black point on the monitor? That one is detected by PQAS. That's why we can produce packaging products very efficiently. So this time PQA detects this kind of seed and double pipe delivery. Now our system can detect what seed is detected. And okay, the super short Makeready has reduced average changeover time approximately 33 minutes to 11:15 seconds. And once again, the operation is completed. This time, we saw the visualization of job with KP Connect Pro and the demonstration of various automation solutions in Komori. Through this solution we introduced, we at Komori are contributing to improving value-added productivity of our entire printing plant. That's it for today's demonstration. Thank you very much for joining. We appreciate this sharing the precious time together.